afternoon, everyone. This is Cindy with my Altered Muse. I'd like to welcome you to my studio. Today we're going to continue with our ongoing project with the fabulous Notions of Beauty with Debbie Ramey. Today I am going to be creating something really fun to go in our ongoing journal. First, let me show you how we're coming with this. I am calling this our never-ending flip-flop journal. Okay, so let me show you. This is the cover, and it opens up, and then it opens up again, like so. And then we have this, we close it, and we have this, okay? So what I'm doing is it's a twofold, never ending. We're going to be using this to focus on Debbie's beautiful papers, embellishments, ribbons, everything that she offers in her store. And let me give you a little background. Debbie has a Facebook live shop every Wednesday night, 7 o'clock Eastern, 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central. And all you have to do is go over to Facebook, go to the groups, type in Notions of Beauty, and it'll pop up, and just ask Debbie, tell Debbie you would like to join. That's all you have to do. You have to answer a couple of questions, but that's all you have to do. Okay, now today, Jackson and I, he's over protecting the door. It's a beautiful day in Florida. Got the front door and the back door open, lovely breeze coming through. Let me show you what I've kind of decided to do here. This is, as you know, it is an Amazon mailer that we have made a journal out of. Let me show you how this is coming along. The top is open. This is the bag. And the bottom is open. So basically right now we've got this tube. Now what I'm planning on doing is I'm probably going to close up the bottom, and then as we continue making our beautiful embellishments and fun things to go inside, we're going to be using the top to slide different things in also. So this journal is going to be forever ongoing, probably, because I love making the embellishments with all of Debbie's beautiful ribbons, everything that she offers. Okay, so we're going to lay this aside for right now. And the next thing I want to show you, goodness, I think I'm getting, hold on a minute here. I think I'm getting, let me see, I think maybe I might better shut the door. I'm getting a bad glare. Well, I don't know what's going on here. Let me see. Okay, there. That seems to be better, I think. I think I can open the door back up. Jackson likes his door open. He likes to look out. Okay, yes, that's much better. Okay, today what I'm going to be creating with is her latest paper pack. It is just gorgeous. She sold it for the last 2 weeks. I don't know if she has any more or not. You can go check it out and see. This is in my craft room, and this is a 6x8 paper pack, and it is imported from, wait a minute, where did it come from? Poland. This beautiful paper selection came from Poland, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to use this aqua polka dot here. And what we're going to make today is a waterfall. I have had some of my newer girls ask for me to do one. I had done one a long time ago, and I told them yes I would, and I got this paper pack in, and it goes so beautiful with the journal we're working on. Look at this lace. Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? This is some of the lace from Debbie's shop, so I'm going to be incorporating it also. But first of all, what we're going to do is, this is a 4.5 inch piece of paper, and I think it's 8 inches long. And I have taken, I used some pink card, and I cut it 4 inches wide and 4.5 inches tall. And I used my bone folder, and I measured a 1/2 inch and folded it over. So we have a 4x4 piece of paper, okay? So now what we're going to do is, I'm not sure, I think I want to put something up here. So for right now, we're just going to work on adding these. And I think what I'm going to do is, let me make sure I'm in frame. Let me move over a little bit. There we go. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is bring this down a little bit, because I think I want to do something up here. So let's take the first one, and all you're going to do, and again, this is 4 inches wide and 4.5 inches tall, and you fold it down a 1/2 inch, okay? Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the first one, and just run the line of glue, and I think I'll start about right here on this one. Okay, make sure it's as even as you can get it. In this paper, beautiful. It's double-sided, and this is the back side of this one, but we won't be using, that won't be showing, okay? So, okay. Now I'm gonna just take my time and do this, because I want it to really be as good as I can get it. Okay, now what we've done is we've added our very first flip, and as you can see, it flips up like so, and then you've got this 1/2 inch right here. Okay, now that's very good. That's about as straight as I can get it. Okay, now the next one, I'm gonna take, and I'm going to add my glue again, and my glue of choice is Fabri-Tac. And I'm going to take it, and I'm just going to put it up as close to this one as I can get, like so. I like to leave just a fraction of playroom so you can flip it nice. Okay. If you are into beautiful pastels, pinks, aquas, Debbie's weekly sale is for you. She gets the most beautiful items. Her prices are fantastic, and she's just a sweetie pie. She's so much fun to work with. And I feel so fortunate to be creating with her beautiful, beautiful papers and ribbons, laces, sequins, pearls, you name it, she has it. Okay, I'm going to take the next one and I'm going to put it right under there, leaving just the ever so much fraction of a there. And I always flip each one down and make sure that they're like I like them. Okay, this one is a little high, but you know, I'm just not going to worry about it. Okay. Okay, now we're going to flip this one up. In fact, this one, I'm going to take this one off because it was my, it was what I cut my papers out with, and I had a pencil, ink pen mark on it, and I don't want that to show. So I'm going to take that off. Okay, let me see here. You just have to kind of work with it, even though you measure. Sometimes it's not perfect, but that's okay. Okay, now we're going to add another one. Right below that one. And I'm going to kind of close and see how that's working. Okay, we want to straighten it up just a little bit. Let me see. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, let's take the next one. We're going to add the glue. And you can make this as long or as short as you need be. Okay, and we're going to add the next one, and let's fold over and see how we're going. Straighten it up a little bit that way. Let's see here. One reason I love Fabri-Tac is because you can keep, you can keep adjusting and get everything just like you like it. Okay, see how this is just falling into line so pretty? Okay. Now, let's add another one. Okay, now this one is fine. It's got a couple of little marks on it, but it's with a disappearing pen, so it will eventually just go away. Pretty cool. Okay, now let me close this up and see how I'm doing here. I'm going to move that over just a little bit. Okay, now, for right now, I am not going to add any more. I have one more, but I don't think I'm going to add it right now because I'm thinking I might want to do something down here. Okay, now, the next thing you want to do is you want to add some florals, whatever you want to add. You want it to be 4x4. You can use any kind of paper you want to. You can cut a 4x4 square out of anything, capturing what you would like to show. Okay, I am using these. They were just in my stash. Nothing earth-shattering. Now, The one on top is the one that's going to show to start with, okay? So I like that because it's kind of bold. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to add, now I just printed this on regular copy paper because I was trying to keep a little bit of the bulk down. You can do whatever you would like. This is on cardstock, but this is, now I think I'm going to turn it like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to kind of line it up. Let's see if I've got it like I like it. And I do. Okay, now that's the start. Is that not gorgeous? So pretty and feminine. And the reason I'm leaving this open is we will eventually put something on here. I'm not sure what it's going to be. It could be something as simple as this. Or I had even thought about something like this and then put a flower in the middle of that. Debbie has so many beautiful things, it's just hard to decide what you want to do. So we're just going to get the basics made of it, and then we'll figure it out, okay? Okay.
You shut the door?
Yeah, I'm making a video. Sorry. This is my husband. Hey, husband. He's coming in the back door. I thought he was playing golf, but I guess he's... I thought he was playing golf, but I guess he's not. He's back home. Okay. So next we're going to add the next floral. This is 4x4. They're all 4x4, okay? And you're just going to center them in the middle of each. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? I need to add a little glue there. Okay, now we're going to raise this one up. Now, there's two ways to do this. You can put more pictures on the back. You can put paper that has lines where you can write. Just whatever you would like to do. Okay, let's add this one next. Hope everyone's doing okay today. We're having a beautiful day down in Florida. Not sure. They're talking about another hurricane system. We've been lucky. We haven't had anything this year. Okay, let's flip another one. And let's see, let's add this one. Now, if you want them to be bolder, just cut your images out. But I just wanted to do this. I think the aqua is so pretty against this light pink. Okay, we're going to put that right there. And let's see, let's put this one right here. And finally, we're going to put this one. Now, I had made a video a long time ago with one, but it's probably been 2 or 3 years ago. And I definitely wanted to add this waterfall into my there we go. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. Now, I could have slid this up a little more where it didn't show, but I don't think I can now. I think, yeah, it's pretty well stuck. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is probably, let's see. Let me see what I have. I'm probably going to do some lace on each one of them. So, yeah, that's beautiful. Let's put some lace. Let's see here. Let me cut it. And this is some of Debbie's beautiful lace. So, I think I'm going to try to cut it like, let me see. I don't want to cut it too short. I don't know if I want to go all the way across. Or just like, I think I'm going to go all the way across. Then that way, it'll end up right like that. Okay, so now we're going to just come across the bottom. And add some of this lace. Kind of work with it, get it like you want it. Oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, now we're going to come, let me see. Okay, now we're gonna come across here. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, now let's flip that one up. And I could have had this measured, but I wasn't sure what I was doing, so. Luscious. Okay. Now we're going to measure one across right here. Whoops. And I'll show you where I'm thinking about putting this. I'm not going to, you know, I was telling you about the top of the top that's I'm going to leave open. I was thinking about maybe sliding this down in there. I don't know. It's just going to be, we'll figure it out as we go. But right now, I just wanted to work on this ephemera. And get it going. This is the sweetest little lace. I've had this a while. And what I do is I have a big Xerox paper box that I keep all of Debbie's beautiful elements in so I can pull from them. Oh, and I did have one video that I was working on this that I had to remove. I had Elvis was playing softly in the background, and YouTube doesn't like that. So I had to, okay, there we go. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that. Now, I'm not sure what else I'm going to do, so I'm going to think about it. But this will give y'all a good start on making one. And the next video, I will show you what I've done to kind of finish it up. What I'm thinking about is maybe making a tag out of it up here and then putting some ribbon and then putting a piece of lace or something down here. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, but I wanted to get that made, and I think it turned out just lovely. Okay, I don't think this wasn't a real long video, but I think it turned out just beautiful, and well, almost 30 minutes. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'll keep a check on my messages and see if anybody has any questions. And yeah, we'll just work on this a little bit more off camera. I'm going to decide what I want to do. And I hope you like it. And I'll be talking to you again real soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.